The short opens on Sue Bird, a basketball virtuoso whose quiet, relentless leadership turned pressure into precision on international stages and in the WNBA Finals. In Athens 2004, she faced colossal expectations and, with icy focus, sliced through defenses to hit a late jumper that sealed Olympic gold for Team USA. Back home, Bird steered the Seattle Storm to multiple championships, redefining the point guard role with dazzling court vision, unstoppable mid-range shots, and elite ball movement. Her training ethic became a blueprint for young players: repetitive drills, film study, and a daily mindset that outworked doubt and stayed humble. This tale reminds fans that greatness isn't just points. It's lifting teammates, outrunning injuries, and turning every practice into a step towards something legendary.